So in last class we had learned the passive voice of simple past tense. Okay?
Yes.
Now in today's class we'll learn the past continuous tense passive voice. Passive voice of past continuous tense. How we can change active voice sentence which is in the past continuous tense. It active voice sentence of past continuous tense that we want to change into the passive voice with the formula. How we can transform it into the passive voice. So you please write down the title. The title is change the voice. Change the voice. Change the voice. Okay, and we are going to learn the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. It is the active voice. Active voice. This sentence we want to transform it into the passive voice through the formula. So the passive formula, passive voice formula is object plus auxiliary verb plus being plus B3 plus by plus yes. Okay. So now this is the formula. Past continuous tense active voice. When we want to transform it into the passive voice, then this formula that we can use for changing the sentence into the passive voice. Okay. So the first example is here on the board of active voice. I write here active voice AV. So it is we call the active voice. The first sentence, Kalpesh was giving a gift. Kalpesh was giving a gift. This is active voice sentence in past continuous tense. This is active voice. AV it means active voice. Active voice sentence. It is in past continuous tense. Okay. At very first, we'll identify the sentence. Nikita, we'll identify the sentence. It is the subject. It is the auxiliary verb. It is the main verb plus ing. Okay. It is the object. Subject, auxiliary verb, main verb and object. Okay. So this is the division of a sentence. This is the division of a sentence. Now, through the formula of this, we can change this sentence into the passive voice. Okay. Then I write here PV. PV means passive voice. PV means passive voice. Here is. Now, never clear. So here is the passive voice. PV means the passive voice. Now we have to use the formula. Okay. Now where is the object in active voice? It is the object, a gift. Okay. So we have to write this object into the passive voice at the place of subject, that is we call a gift. A gift. Now auxiliary verb, here is the auxiliary verb, it is in the form or structure, and in the active voice sentence here is the auxiliary verb. So this past auxiliary verb we have to write as it is here. Was, a gift was. Why was? Because a gift it is the singular. If the active voice would like this, Kalpesh was giving gifts, then we can write here gifts were. Okay, so it is the singular form. This is the singular, so that's why we have to use the singular auxiliary verb. From the past tense, a gift was, then we have to use this being. Being, it is the continued form. Being, this is showing the continued form. Being, this is the first form. Being, this is the second and third form. Being, this is the fourth form of being. Okay, so being, it is the fourth form of being. Now, a gift was being. Here is giving. So we have to write its third form because it is here in the formula. So we can write here given. Given by Kalpesh. Okay? So the passive sentence is like this. A gift was being given by Kalpesh. Active voice was Kalpesh was giving a gift, and a gift was being given by Kalpesh. So it is the passive voice. Let's see another one sentence, another one example. So through the next example, we can understand it more. Another one example is here. I write here example 2, AV. I write here one, example 1. Here 2 or second. AV, active voice. Okay? The active voice is the cat was catching the rat. Okay, the sentence, active sentence is here in the past continuous. The cat was catching the rat. Let's we identify the structure and we divide it. The cat, it is the subject. Was, it is the auxiliary verb. Catching, it is the main verb plus ing. The rat, it is the object in noun phrase. Subject, auxiliary verb, main verb plus ing, and it is the object. This active sentence, it is in the past continuous tense. Okay. Now when we want to transform this sentence into the passive voice, then we can use this formula. So where is the object in this sentence?
The rat.
The rat. Okay. Then I write here PV, means passive voice. So then we can write the rat. The rat. Then what we can write, Omkar? What we can write here?
The rat
Was.
being.
Ajinkya, what is the next that we can write? Being. Being. Then Atharva? Caught. Caught. Then by the cat. The sentence is completed here. The rat was being caught by the cat. The rat was being caught by the rat. This is the passive voice of this sentence. Okay? What we did, look, in the first sentence, we first observe and divide the sentence like subject, auxiliary verb, main verb, and then object. Okay? We underline it here. Shivraj, we underline it here. Then, while after we underline the sentence, we made it into the passive voice using the structure, using the formula. It is like this: a gift was being given by Kalpesh. we use this formula for changing this sentence into the passive voice. Then this sentence also we underline all the parts, divide the sentence and we write subject, auxiliary verb, main verb plus ing and then object. Okay. Then we put the object into the passive voice like this. The rat. Then we use was because it is in the auxiliary verb. It is in the formula. Was and being. Okay. Because we are learning the continue form and being this is into the continue form. Then we use here verb's third form. The verb is catching. It is the fourth form of the verb. So we use here caught. We use here caught. Then after the caught we use by. And then after that we use the subject that is the cat. Okay. On the board there are two examples, active voice examples that we transform it into the passive voice. Okay. Let's see another one example, last example, and through this we can understand it more. Active voice. Who will tell the example of the active voice? Who will tell? Yes, tell.
She was writing a letter.
She was writing a letter. At very first we divide the sentence. She, it is the subject. Was, it is the auxiliary verb. Writing, it is the main verb plus ing form. A letter, it is the object. Then by using this formula, we can solve it. So I write here PV, it means the passive voice. Then tell me the answer. Shivraj?
A letter.
A letter was being written by her. Okay? She is in the active voice and in the passive voice it will become her. Okay? The passive voice should be like this. A letter was being written by her. Okay? We have seen 3 examples on a bird. Then we solve it. One example you told me and you solved me on a board also. Okay? Now in this passive voice of past continuous tense, if you have difficulty in this, any doubt or any questions, any queries about this, then you can ask me. So I can help you to solve it. Otherwise, if you don't have any question, then we will declare the class is over. Is there any problem? No? Okay, then write all these sentences into your notebook and I will tell you the homework. Complete the homework and show me tomorrow. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.